Hey guys, this is Parag from Midas Multimedia, and today we are going to talk about using brush in Figma. Brush was introduced in major updates in Figma, but is it equal to Illustrator or there are any limitations in that? To check this out, I have created this illustration in Figma. I have also tried the noise effect you can see to add some extra style to it. But let's talk about brush first. Figma have several brushes in its fleet. These are built-in brushes. You cannot see or apply brushes in design or development mode. You must switch to drawing mode. Let's create something so you'll understand how it works. If you want to apply brush style to this line, go to Stroke panel and click on drop-down icon to access different brush styles. And these are different brush types we have in Figma. These two brushes are custom I have created for my illustration. You can also use the brush tool, but this will create a new shape. It is not possible to apply or change existing brush stroke using this option. So let's create a new brush. For this, you need a vector shape. You cannot use image or multiple shapes at one time. Suppose I want to create a brush from this shape. For that, you need to click right mouse button. But if you see, there is no option right now to create brush. Why? Because you still have two different shapes. You must use flatten shape so it becomes one. So remember this thing, you cannot use multiple shapes or strokes to create a single brush. So select flatten option from this panel and it will become a one shape. Now you can convert it into brush, that is stretch brush, unlike Illustrator where you have different brush options like artistic brush, like pattern brush, and so on. Now the brush is created and you can use it from brush panel. Let's create new brush from existing one. Also, I will repeat this again that we cannot use stroke as a brush. You need to outline stroke to convert into shape and then you can convert that into brush. Now our brush is ready and you can use it with any color or gradient. Even you can apply brush to text. For hairs, I use combination of different brushes. I use transparent gradient also to highlight it. Also, I have applied the noise effect from panel. You can play with different settings. I will share this file with you to analyze. Feel free to ask me questions in comment box. I will make sure to answer them. Thanks for watching.